Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So in this video I'm going to show you how I achieved these crochet braids with expression. Yo, are you sure? Yeah. So guys, this is so simple. Like, this is just under 1 hour. Like, under 1 hour you're good to go. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this with expression, guys, please keep on watching. And before then, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and tap on that bell icon somewhere there. In that way you get instant notifications whenever I upload any video. So thank you all so much for watching. Until I see you all in my next video, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. The seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season.
So guys, I'm going to do the rest of the hair. I'm just going to cornrow the mold to the back, and then I'll bring it back. See you later. So guys, I have only this one remaining. So what I do, I just spray a little bit of water.
Each time of year carries memories, like a never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing just like another season. Don't want another day without you by my side. Oh, this season. You came into my life just like another
So I'm going to show you guys how to do knotless crochet from here. Lovelies, here I'm going to show you how I do my knotless crochet. Please don't mind the cornrow. I just want the hair all to the back because I don't want the line to show. So yeah, don't mind the weaving like the cornrow. So here, as you can see, I'm just adding the crochet. I'm just putting only one strand instead of two. So that was basically what I was doing, and after that I just slide it through, and you can see, add it and just take one of it and slide it through, you see. So here I'm going to do a kind of slow motion just to show you properly. So as you can see, what I'm doing here, I'm just putting only one strand instead of two strands, and I will slide it through, and after that, you know, that's it. So that's it. So that was basically what I was doing, and I'm going to bring you guys back later.
Each time of year carries memories, like a never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing. Just like another season. Don't want another day without you by my side. Oh, this season. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time. Just like another season. Just like another season.
So guys, this is the outcome.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time. Just like another season.